Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be discussing about instance variables and class variables in Python object-oriented programming. Basically, we have two types of variables, mainly instance variables and class variables. Instance is also known as object, as I said before, in the classes and objects. So instance variable and class variable are the two types of variables. The first one is instance variable. Instance variables are defined and initialized using constructor with self parameter. So in the example, we have class a def init self underscore self comma name. So self dot name is equal to name, where this is known as instance variable. So these are defined and initialized using a constructor which is self parameter. So this is called as instance variable, and I have written a def disp self function. So even is one of the class method. So right now we are only focusing on instance variables. So let's focus on instance variable. So the variable which will be discussed inside the constructor and initialized with the self parameter, then it is known as instance variable. In the second one, accessing instance variable. So inside the class and outside the class. So how this works, let us see. Here we have two cases. One is accessing the instance variable inside the class. So instance variable is a variable which will be initialized and defined inside the constructor, and it will be defined with the help of self parameter. So first one, inside the class. Now let us go to our code editor and perform an operation. Instance variable dot py, accessing instance variable inside the class. So now let us work on this. So I will define a class student. So, and I will define constructor here. Okay, I have a formal argument here. Name. Then I will define it a function def show yourself. I will directly print it. Print def string name of the student is self dot name. So I will create an object for this. Object 1 is equal to student, and I will pass a name as Arjuna. Then I will define and I will call in function show. Object 1 dot show. If I run this, I will get the name of the student is Arjuna. So here, this is my instance variable which is defined inside the constructor. I'm accessing this instance variable inside the class. So this is my class. So this is my class. So inside this, I'm accessing this instance variable in the class method. So methods will be discussed after. So I'm just accessing this class variable inside the class itself, and I'm calling this function and I'm getting the output. So this is how the accessing the instance variable inside the class works. This is case 1. Now we can access the instance variable outside the class. So accessing the instance variable outside the class. So here we can just directly print the object 1 dot instance variable, which is date. If I print this, I am getting Arjuna. So this is accessing the instance variable outside the class. So here, this is my class. So this is my object. So I'm trying to accessing the variable outside this class. So here we could able to perform the instance variable accessing from outside the class as well. So this how the accessing the instance variable inside the class and outside the class works. Here we are making use of object dot name of the variable which we are passing, and we are accessing the variable outside the class. Now let us move to class variable. A class variable is the variable that belongs to the class rather than a particular object. So in the example, I have defined class A, where sec is equal to section A, define underscore self name. So def disp self dot name, and self name. So a class variable is a variable that belongs to the class rather than a particular object. So this is just an example. So here we are defining a class which is above the constructor. These variables are called as class variables, and this is just a reference. And in the next slide, we can see how we can access this class variable. So accessing class variable inside the class and outside the class. So inside the class, to access the class variable, we need class method with CLS as first parameter. Then we can access class variable using CLS.variable. So here we have an example. So class A, where sec is equal to section A, and we have defined a constructor with the self parameter, and we have defined a function desp, and even we have access our instance variable. So in order to access our class variable, we need to add a class method decorator at class method. So then we need to define a function. Define is underscore the class variable name, and the first parameter will be CLS. So CLS dot sync. So accessing class variable inside the class method. So when you call this, you could able to get the class method. Now let us execute with an example, then you will come to know how exactly this works. Okay, class variable. Now I will define a class student. Okay, then I will define a sec is equal to section 8. So this is my class variable. So this is my class variable. Now I will define a constructor def underscore init underscore self. I will define name as a parameter. Then I will try to name the first parameter by self dot name. Now I will add one more function def show self. So I'll try to print the function here rather than writing any of the comment. So print name of the student is self.name. So here everything is with respect to class itself. Now we need to access the class variable. So this class variable can be accessed only with the help of class method. So for that, we need to define a class decorator, class method as a decorator. Then we need to define a function. Define is sec CLS. So is sec means def is a variable name which stores the class variable that we need to define here. Then CLS will be the first parameter. Then if you print CLS dot sec, then you could able to access the class variable. So this is how you need to access class variable. Now I will create an object. Object 1 is equal to student Rava. So in order to access, then I will use then obj1 dot show to print the function. You can call this class method with the help of object 1 dot is sec. So when you call this, I'm trying to remove this comment first. So I just added that comment for your reference. When I add this and if I run this function, I'm getting name of the student is Rama and I'm getting the class variable which is section here. So this how exactly the class variable works. So I'm accessing the class variable inside the class itself. So I'm accessing this class variable by creating a class method. With the help of class method decorator, I defined a function and I'm accessing this class variable inside this function. I'm calling this function with the help of object and I'm getting an output as section which I needed. So That's a method in which how you can call class method using class variable. Now accessing class variable outside the class. So here we could able to access the class variable outside the class with the help of class name dot variable name. So I will just show you accessing class variable outside the class. Next, so we can access the class variable outside the class with the help of class name student dot variable name. Variable name is sec. So in order to print this, we can make use of print statement. So if I run this, you could able to see initially I just passing an object one is student Rama to this constructor. I'm printing the name of the student with the self parameter. Self dot name is equal to Rama or name. Then I'm calling this instance variable inside this class method, and I'm printing this by calling this function show function, and I've got an output as name of the student is Rama. Then I have created a class variable. In order to access this class variable, I defined a class method. So with the help of decorator, I defined a function with class method decorator where def is sec. Sec will be the variable name and CLS will be the first parameter for the class method. Like for other instance method, we use self as a first parameter. For class method, we should use CLS as first parameter. Then if you print CLS.set, then the following class variable will be accessed. So in order to access this class variable, we are calling the function object1.isSec function. So then if you call this function, we will get the output as section A. So there is another method where you could able to access the variable outside the class. You could able to this with the help of class name dot variable name. So if you print that, you could able to see we can access class variable using class name dot variable name. If you print student dot class, student will be the class name and check will be the variable name. So when you print this, you will get an output as the class variable. So this how exactly the class variable works, and you could able to access inside the class and outside the class. So we have completed the instance variable and the class variable. And in the instance variable, we perform two operations. We can access instance variable inside the class and outside the class. In the class variable, we have performed two operations where you could able to access class variable inside the class and outside the class. So that's the end of the type of variables. Thank you.